Hi everyone and welcome to this brand new module on salsa drumming. Now salsa was a musical phenomenon which came out of New York City in the 70s, and it's a style of music that's heavily influenced by earlier musical styles from Cuba such as son music. If you want to know more about the history of this style of music, then please do check out the article which accompanies this lesson. You'll also see lots of written, notated examples, and it's great if you really want to brush up on the theory and the background to this style of music. But in this video, we're going to take a more practical approach. We're going to look at the percussion instruments, which are a staple of the salsa rhythm section, which is the bongos, the congas, and the timbales. And then we're going to look at the patterns these instruments play before looking at how we can approximate those sounds and rhythms on different elements of the drum kit. So let's look at which instruments are common in a salsa ensemble. So you have the three main percussion instruments being congas, bongos, and timbales. Then you have the bass guitar or a double bass. You have the piano, which plays the montunos. The bass plays the tumbao. Then you'll have some horns that could be trumpets, trombones, saxophones, flute. And then you'll also have one or a number of vocalists, usually a lead vocalist, and then a group of backing vocalists who sing the coro section, which is a group chorus, basically. So first of all, let's have a look at the congas and the pattern that the conga plays, which is the tumbao, or it can also be known as a marcha. Just to clarify, salsa music is usually felt in 2/3 clave. So remember in the last module we spoke about clave direction. So it's a 2-bar rhythm, 1 bar has 2 notes, the other bar has 3 notes. Salsa is usually 2/3. So with that conga tumbao that you just heard, the 3 side is the side where I add that second conga. But that's not always used. You could just play 1 conga in certain sections of the song. Next up, we've got the bongos, and there are 2 main patterns the bongo player will play: the martillo, which is the one I'm going to play first, and then the bongo bell, which is a separate instrument. And finally, we have the timbales. Again, we're going to look at 2 patterns. We'll look at the cascara, which is a pattern you've learned already in the previous module, and then we're going to look at the mambo bell, which is a new pattern.